What's up, traders? So Monday morning, let's get right into it. We're off to a great start with GBPJPY, and I think this is going to be a really great game plan. And I've established a bias. This is so important, being able to establish a bias and then trading around that bias for the week. So it's Monday. I made a game plan over the weekend, but really beyond that, becoming more intentional about your trading and what it is that you're actually doing. I shared a great video into the accelerator telegram. We have a special elite telegram, where we post recordings and trainings and all that. And I posted a video about not being so casual. This is by Ed Milet, somebody that I follow. Love his stuff. He's super inspiring and motivating. But the thing is this applies to trading and what it is that you're doing 100%. And beyond that, this opportunity that we have right now to make money with outside capital. You've never been able to do anything like this before. You weren't able to do it 10 years ago. There's no, telling how long it'll last. But the thing is so you have this opportunity to make millions of dollars, get funded millions of dollars to trade with, which I've done. Other people in the accelerator group have done. And people are working on that goal right now so they can have more freedom in their life, quit their jobs, have more time for their family. And genuinely, like you can see, this is my Monday attire, right? I went to the gym this morning. I'm here making videos. I'm trading for sure, obviously, because I have these accounts to trade. But the reason why I got them is because I decided to quit being so casual about this and take this opportunity while it's here. You only have one life. I definitely believe in reincarnation and all that stuff. But right now, for this existence, for what we're doing, you have one opportunity to do this. And most people, either you message me or I talk to on the phone, maybe you're interested in the accelerator or you've been in, something like the Signal channel for 2 years now, still doing the exact same thing that you've been doing, expecting different results. Obviously, you've heard that definition of insanity before. Now there's this opportunity here to get the capital that you can acquire if you can manage your risk, get dialed in on your system, have an actual strategy, build confidence. These are the three things that you must do, and then get dialed in on your risk management and build that belief system that you are actually somebody that can pull this off. Become that version of yourself that can step in to what it is that you're trying to accomplish, because most people are still trying to do this with that mediocre, average, let's see if it works out, or, you're carrying a lot of baggage with your family or your wife or your boyfriend or your parents saying that, you can't do this. This is ridiculous. You should hang it up. This is a real opportunity. It's real for me. I've made it real. It didn't just become that way. And I'm still doing it every single day. Here's a great setup on GBPJPY. I took this on my funded accounts, and it's just amazing, the opportunity here. And it's such a blessing. And I share these setups, every week and share them with you guys and gals. And, I'm here, I'm doing it. I'm demonstrating exactly what it is that we're doing, how I'm doing it, or at least giving you a glimpse. If you want to learn how to do this, this is that AUDJPY setup that I shared last week. Go back into the videos that I made, and we are right at the 78.6, the 86.3, right at this order block, right at this area. And we've retesting this zone. This is exactly what I said happened. I sent a trade out here, and it hit bang on or take profit right at 61.8. You can learn to do this. This isn't some magic trick. And I'm not somebody overly special or gifted in doing this. I assure you, I've had to learn math, relearn it, because my brain was so fried from partying and then later on, self-destructing myself through drugs and alcohols and behaviors, because I knew on the inside that there's a bigger possibility for me. And it's not just trading is the big possibility, but it's a doorway to where you can actually become somebody that dictates what happens in your own life. So you can make the Suns football practice. So you can, coach the baseball team or whatever it is that you're trying to do. these are examples. Shout out to Greg Lewis in the group. Those are examples that he's working for, and and making it happen and pulling it off. And you can do it too. So this is GBPJPY. This is a textbook momentum trade. We almost hit 120 pip take profit here. I do think we're going to go to this level and much, much higher, just like we did on Aussie Yen. This was that AJ trade. Another look. You can see these little dips in the momentum here. These were actually entry opportunities if you used my strategy and got dialed in, took the time to learn it, took the time to invest in yourself. It's not just going to happen on your own, and you're not going to wake up one morning through osmosis or just decide to follow your rules. You need that support. And I wanted to make a video this morning that's a little more like, hey, wake up. You can do this. Like, quit wasting time. I've been saying it for a while now. I'm not going to continue to just like be doing this until I'm 50 years old, right? Or hopefully 40, right? So I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but it's less than 40. But I'm getting close, right? So, take this opportunity while you got it, because there's a lot of other people out there that are doing whatever it is. But I've continued to show up for years, refining, getting better. And most of y'all have watched me do it, and it's going to continue happening. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, GJ's taking off right here. I actually got a little entry on the 1 minute time frame, little re-entry right here, momentum cross. So we break these highs. It's going to be an awesome day, right? So you can learn how to do this if you're willing to take the time, put in the energy, and go all in on yourself. It's already almost the end of January. 2023 is gone now. Are you still doing the same things that you've been doing? More than likely, most people are. I've been wanting to revert back to that and had to become recommitted to my goals. So, if that's you, let's quit wasting time, having excuses, and show some urgency about your life and about your happiness and about your dreams. Because if you're not urgent about it, I'll tell you, it'll never happen. Because there's a lot of people out there competing for whatever it is that you want, and it's not going to just land on your plate. But the good news is that most people think it's going to land on their plate. So the person that does go all in is going to be that one that ends up winning. You go all in and you outlast, and you don't give up. That's it. So I have the strategy, the blueprint, the support, the risk management, the bot, the indicators, everything out there, right? So if you're ready for that, click the link below. If we've talked before, maybe it's your time to reach back out and talk to me while you still can, and while this is opportunities here, and we'll take it from there. Let's have a great week, everybody. Hopefully you took that GJ trade, and I'll be live trading with the accelerator group tomorrow. So looking forward to that, and I'll see you on that call. Peace.